Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see your Instagram messages without scrolling, which means let's say you want to see the first message you did to your friend or like you sent to your friend, all right? And you just have to keep on scrolling because you have posted a lot of it. Well, through this video you can reach the top of your message easily by clicking on a single button. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, you open Instagram, you click on your messenger icon at the top right of your screen, and then click on where it says your friend, whoever friend's message you want to see. So I want to see Witchy Kevin, so I'm going to click on Witchy Kevin. So instead of scrolling, I'm going to click on a button, and that button is going to be the one which is at the top left corner. So on my screen it's showing 9:37 the time. You want to click on that place, all right? Even if you're using Android, it doesn't matter. You need to just click on that exact position at the top left corner of your screen. So just click on it. So in iPhone right now it's blinking red because I'm recording this video. So you can also say that iPhone user click on the red icon. Now you guys are not gonna have the red icon because you're not recording a video, all right? But at that place you need to click. So I'm gonna click on that place, and as you guys can see, I have reached the top of my message just like this with just one click, all right? Now for other people who have like a lot of conversation, it might take 2 or 3 or like multiple clicks. But like for reaching the top, you can just click on that place and you should be reach to the top just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can reach the top of your conversation on Instagram with just one click. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.